Hi! In today's video, we're going to unbox this Nexstand K2 which I bought from Shopee. So this item comes in a pretty packaging. I actually bought two pieces of Nexstand K2, one for me and the other is for my husband. Each costs at 439 Philippine peso or around $9 each, which is already on a discount. So here it is. It comes with a soft carrying sleeve and two pieces of detachable spacers. I'll tell you later what these two are for. So here I am trying to figure out how should I open. Well, I should have read the manual first. It's in Japanese and English. So make sure to read the manuals, guys, before anything else. Alright, so here's the logo. Let's spread the circular bases here. There you go. As you can see, it has triggers on each side just below the joints. Press the triggers to adjust the stand to desired height and simply release it to lock stand height. So let's test this with my laptop. I use a 15.6-inch Asus ROG Strix laptop. Weighs around 5 pounds or 2.3 kilos and thicker than the usual laptops. See? It fits properly. Just try to adjust the height using the triggers underneath slowly on the lowest angle. Now it's on my eye level, more comfortable and better ergonomics. Helps in avoiding hunched and painful back. I can also rest my palms here when typing. It has arc grips which prevents the laptop from falling. Earlier, I told you about the two detachable spacers. I did not attach it because my laptop is thick. You can use these to fit in your ultra slim laptop if you have, or even your tablets. What I like in this laptop stand is that it is very lightweight, compact, like literally I can take it anywhere. Highly recommended for digital nomads. Other than that, it claims that it can hold for up to 20 pounds, very functional and affordable. By the way, this is not a sponsored post. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you on our next vlog. Bye!